What the heck is CAIVRS and what does it have to do with my mortgage loan? Hi, I'm Jason Skinrood, Mortgage Loan Officer. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about what CAIVRS is and how it can potentially affect your ability to get a mortgage loan. So if you find that this video is helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up just down below and also consider subscribing to my channel to get more mortgage content. Okay, so what is CAIVRS? I've actually been in the mortgage business for over 16 years and I had to go look up exactly what the acronym stands for, and it stands for Credit Alert Verification Reporting System. And a little bit of history on it. It was developed by the Department of Housing and Urban Development in 1987. It's basically a database of defaulted federal debtors, and it allows processors of federal credit benefits, so like mortgage companies, to identify individuals that are in default or who have had claims paid out on their behalf. And so there's a couple of things that could be. It could be direct or some sort of federally guaranteed loan, or it could be delinquent or other debts that are owed to some sort of federal agency. So some examples of debts that would be on your CAIVRS report are claims paid on home loans. So that could be a VA loan, an FHA loan, or even a USDA loan. Also, if you have any school loans that are in default, those will be reported on your CAIVRS report. And then, of course, if you have any sort of indebtedness to someone like the Department of Veterans Affairs, or Social Security Administration benefits where you actually owe them like back benefits for overpayment or something like that. Now, how does it affect your ability to get a mortgage loan? So mortgage lenders are required to use it as part of the credit qualification process for FHA, VA, and USDA loans. And the results on the CAIVRS report may actually affect your ability to get a loan. Ideally, you want to have a clear CAIVRS report, but it's not necessarily required. With that, underwriters have the ability to actually downgrade your file to what's called a manual underwrite for CAIVRS. If you have any debts on there, and basically your file is going to be limited to some more stringent requirements. Whether that's VA, FHA, or USDA. And then not having a clear CAIVRS report or having something on there won't necessarily disqualify you from being able to get a loan, but it could actually potentially do that just based on your individual circumstances. Now, what can you do to clear your report? The first thing is to actually just go ahead and pay off the debt. If you're unable to do that, then hopefully your lender will be able to work with you and just go ahead and accept that CAIVRS report as is. Also, if you have paid off debt and your CAIVRS report is still showing that debt is on there, typically you just need to go ahead and provide the documentation to show that has already been paid. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have comments or questions, be sure to ask them down below. Check out some of my other videos, and as always, thank you for watching.